Back to sports after injury. How to make a safe comeback. To every athlete out there, I see you. I've been you. I grew up playing football every Saturday in Nigeria, and I know what it means when you can't play due to injury. Whether it is a sprained ankle, torn ligament, or muscle strain, it feels like your whole rhythm is off. But don't rush to be back too quickly. Let's get you stronger and smarter on the field. In my sports rehabilitation programs, we don't just fix the injury. We rebuild your movement pattern, core strength, stability, and confidence. For runners, to weekend warriors, to teens in competitive sports, tailor the plan to your goals. In Nigeria, we say, no be only muscle dey win match, na brain join body too. Recovery is a mix of technique, patience, and support. Don't settle for 70% recovery when you deserve 100%. If you are injured out there, you may be wondering, when can I go back to playing my sports? And we usually say, when pain is controlled, your range of motion is restored, and then functional testing shows that you are ready. You might also be wondering if we offer sport-specific training. And the answer is absolutely yes. We tailor drills to football, basketball, tennis, hockey. Depending on whichever sports that you do, we tailor our drills to your need and help you recover. You may also want to know if we work with teens in our clinic. The answer is yes. Youth athletes are a big part of our practice, and we do a lot to help them remain competitive. You may be wondering if our rehab program can help prevent re-injury. Absolutely. That's the goal. What we do here is to build your strength, improve your mechanics, provide you with necessary education that can help you remain competitive and injury-free.